Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here solve LeetCode problems. Today an interesting problem number 1291, sequential digits, medium level. An integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit. Return a sorted list of all the integers in the range from low to high inclusive that have sequential digits. How we can solve it? You can see we have a huge range from 10 to 10 power 9, so we cannot find it by checking all numbers. We need more effective solution. What we can do? Let's find it. So what we can do? Let's check example 1. So we have a range from 100 to 300, and we need to find sequential digits in this range. We need to find here few things. First thing, let's consider the start of the range 100 and find how many digits it has. To find it in Python, we can convert this number to the string and calculate the length. So n of this digit is 3. Second thing we need to find is the first digit. In our case, it's 1. So let's call it f equals to 1. And next thing, using our f and n variables, we can build first number. So it's sequential digits 1, and next one more 2, and one more 3. First digit. We need to check if this digit in the range. So it's okay. Next, we need to increment f by 1 and build next digit. So it's 2, 3, 4. Check if it in the range. Yes. Okay. Increment again. Build number 3, 4, 5. Check if it's in the range. No. So it doesn't include it. And when we this number bigger than the end of the range, when we need to stop finding solution and return previous found numbers, and it's the final result. So two numbers, 123 and 234. This is base algorithm, but here and one interesting thing. For instance, let's check second example from 1000 to 13,000, like this. And for these numbers, we started from n equals to 4, and f equals to 1. And the same, we can find the first few numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. until 7, no, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when we reach this number, we can't increment f to 7 because we can't build number 7, 8, 9, 10 because 10 isn't a digit, so it's not a solution. In this case, when we cannot build a number, we need to increment n, so it's number of digits, and set f equals to 1. So next number will be 1 and next 4 digits. So to have the total 5 digits. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check if this number in the range. Okay. And next number for the f equals to 2, number will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is out of the range, so we don't include it and stop finding solution. So final list will be these numbers. Let's implement it. So what we need? We need a variable for result. It's empty list. Next, we need to convert low to the string. So let's call it low underscore s. We can convert it using function str in Python, and find n is number of digits. It's length of low underscore s, and f is it's the first digit converted to the number, and low underscore s index 0. So now we need an infinite loop while true. And first thing, let's check if we still in the range and can build the number. We need to use this condition: f plus n minus 1 greater than 9. In this case, n plus increment n and f equals to 1. Why we have condition f plus n minus 1 greater than 9? Let's check this case. Then we have n equals to 3 and f, for instance, equals to 7. In this case, we can build a number 7, 8, 9 and increment f by 1 to 8. Using f equals to 8, we cannot build a number started from 8. So 8, 9, 10 is invalid number. So in this case, f equals to 8 plus n equals to 3 is 11 minus 1, it's 10. 10 greater than 9. So we need to increment n and reset f. Next thing, we need to build a number using f and n. To do it, we need to start from num equals to 0 and check each digit in the range. For I in the range from f to f plus n. And to build number, we need to calculate like this. Previous digits multiply by 10 plus current digit. And now we have full number, and if this number greater than high, then in this case break the loop. So we reached the end of the range and we don't need to check any more digits. Next thing, we need to check if num greater or equals to low. In this case, append num to the result variable, and finally increment f by 1 and return result. So that's it. Let's check tests. Test passed, submitted. Yes, worked, and it works and pretty efficient by time and memory. You can see it's quite interesting solution. You can find whole solution in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.